Education Day, and I'm so happy to be here with all of you.
Over the years, Treehouse has grown into a nurturing space for young learners, and I commend the dedicated team under the leadership of Ms. Rupa Baliga, Principal of Treehouse, for their unwavering commitment to shaping young minds with love and care.
As our little graduates are ready to start their new journey, we are proud and happy to celebrate this milestone with them.
A very good morning to you, my dear parents. So as our chief guest makes the entry, I request you all to kindly be seated and give a huge round of applause for our chief guest. We gather here to celebrate the achievements and success of our bright young minds who have worked very significantly to reach this milestone. And as our little graduates make entry to the stage, I request you, dear audience, to be seated and give them a huge round of applause because they deserve this. Dear Lord, as we celebrate the special milestone in the lives of our little graduates, we ask for your guidance and wisdom to illuminate their path. May your love and light shine brightly upon them for now and forever. Let us now seek the blessings of the Lord Almighty through a prayer song, This Little Guiding Light.
I'm gonna let it shine.
charmed by our junior host as they take the stage and guide us to today's celebration. It's time to meet our mini MCs, Miss Hannah and Master Vian. They are packed with big personality and excitement.
Hello everyone, my name is Hannah Isabella D'Souza. Good morning, principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Hello everyone, my name is Vian Rao. Today is a very special day. It's our graduation day and I'm so happy to be here with all of you. 3 years ago, we walked to the school in big eyes and tiny steps. We did not know much back then, but look at us now. We learned so many new things. Read books, write words, count numbers, even sing fun songs and stories. I want to say a big thank you to all my teachers, especially Rabia ma'am, Anjana ma'am, and Binde ma'am, who taught us with so much love and made everything exciting. I also want to thank non-teaching staff, our dear Akkas, for all the hard work and care. I want to thank our dear Principal Rupa Balika ma'am, who made sure we had a great place to learn and grow. I also want to thank my friends who made school so much fun. Lastly, my parents always cheering for me and giving me lots of love and helping me every day. I'm so excited for what's next. First grade, here we come. Let us clap for ourselves.
Lighting the lamp holds a very significant value. Light symbolizes knowledge, wisdom, understanding. Lighting the lamp is believed to have ward off the darkness and negative energies. The light of knowledge and understanding will always help us to guide ahead. Now, I request our dear chief guest, Ms. Aparna ma'am, and our beloved principal, Rupa ma'am, to do the honors. I request our team Treehouse to join them. It's a great honor to felicitate our esteemed chief guest who has graciously joined us today to celebrate the special occasion. As a token of our love and appreciation, we would like to present Miss Aparna a small memento as a token of our love. I request our principal, Rupa ma'am, to do the honors. Ms. Aparna Suresh is the Vice Principal of St. Aloysius Gonzaga, Mangalore. Ms. Aparna Suresh is an accomplished educationalist with rich experience in the field of school education, currently serving as the Vice Principal of St. Aloysius Gonzaga School, Mangalore. She oversees the academic and administrative affairs from class 5 to kindergarten, contributing significantly to the school's dynamic learning environment. She also serves as a coordinator for kindergarten, ensuring smooth functioning of the early learning education section. Ms. Aparna began her academic journey at Besant Institution, Mangalore, and went to graduate from the prestigious St. Aloysius College, Mangalore. She holds the Bachelor of Education and Nursery Teachers Training certification, which has laid foundation for a passion for nurturing the young minds. Her career began at His Grace Montessori School, where she dedicated 5 years to shaping the formative years of the children. She later joined St. Aloysius Gonzaga School as a teacher, and through her dedication, expertise, and leadership qualities, rose to the position of Vice Principal of the primary section. In addition to her administrative responsibilities, Ms. Aparna is a coordinator for international collaboration at the school. Under her leadership, the school has successfully earned the British Council International Award for 3 consecutive years from 2013 to 2025. She has coordinated 2 student exchange programs with the prestigious Jesuit schools. With passion for holistic education, Ms. Aparna believes in nurturing not just intellect but also emotional and social well-being of her students. In her leisure time, she enjoys listening to music and nature walks, finding inspiration in the beauty of the world around her. It's an honor to have you here with us, Ms. Aparna. Now, I request our beloved chief guest to speak a few words.
It is truly an honor to be here today as the chief guest for this special occasion. Started from home, I was just wondering how it is going to be. I'm going to be a part of the prestigious graduation day of the prestigious play school of Mangaluru, because Tree House doesn't need much of introduction. Being a Mangalurian, I've been watching the way Tree House has flourished in Mangaluru as a very famous, renowned and a very good play school for early childhood education. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the management of Tree House Play School for inviting me to be part of this wonderful celebration. Over the years, Tree House has grown into a nurturing space for young learners, and I commend the dedicated team under the leadership of Ms. Rupa Baliga, Principal of Tree House, for their unwavering commitment to shaping young minds with love and care. One of the most remarkable aspects of Tree House is its engaging and enriching activities. The socio-dramatic play, role play, pajama party, pool party, and engaging summer camps have all contributed to making learning an exciting and joyful experience. I've been watching, or I'm a regular viewer of the Facebook page of Tree House Play School, and I'm very familiar with all these activities. These activities are not just about fun. They build confidence, creativity, and essential life skills in our children, ensuring that their early years are filled with happy and meaningful moments. I would also like to take a moment to appreciate the efforts of the principal, Ms. Rupa Baliga, who is not just an exceptional leader, but also a dear friend of mine. Under her guidance, Tree House has flourished into a place where young children receive a strong foundation for lifelong learning. Congratulations, Ms. Rupa Baliga. Dear parents, as your children step into primary school, your role remains as vital as ever. You're their first and most important teachers, and they look up to you in every way. If you want your children to follow good virtues, you must first embody them yourselves. Whether it is kindness, patience, honesty, respect, or getting up early in the morning and following good life habits, they learn by observing you. The best way for children to learn values is within the warmth of their home, from their parents and family. So, no matter how busy life gets, take those moments to talk to them, listen to them, and guide them with love and patience. Dear parents, I urge you not to make life too easy for your children. Instead, equip them with 3 essential tools for a great life. Number 1, let them face challenges. Life is not always easy, and protecting them from difficulties will not prepare them for the real world. Allow them to navigate struggles, but Be there to guide them with wisdom and love. Second, let them experience small failure. Failure is a great teacher. Encourage them to learn from their mistakes and to rise stronger each time they fail. Third, praise effort, not just talent or results. Even if your child receives a lower grade, appreciate their hard work first. Teaching them that effort matters more than immediate success will build resilience and a growth mindset. And dear graduates who are waiting inside, today is a very special day for you. You have learned so much, made wonderful memories, and are now ready to take the next big step in your learning journey. But before you go, remember to thank your teachers for their love and guidance. Thank you, parents, for their care and support. As you grow and achieve new milestones, never forget where your journey began. One day, when you become doctors, engineers, artists, or leaders, come back and share your success stories with your teachers. They will be so proud to see how far you have come. Once again, my heartfelt congratulations to the Treehouse family, students, teachers, principal, and parents. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity to be part of your celebrations. Wishing you all a joyful and memorable day ahead. Thank you.
Today is a beautiful day, not just because of the sunshine, but because of the bright future that stands before us. A great poet, Robert Frost, once said, "Two roads diverged into woods, and I took the one that was least traveled." Our little graduates are ready to embark their journey as we celebrate this milestone with the beautiful day dance.
यारों जी भर के जीले पल लगता है आजकल दौर अपना आएगा। यारों जो खुद पे हो यकीन तो जिंदगी हंसी तुझे कल बुलाएगा। यारों जी भर के जीले पल लगता है आजकल दौर अपना आएगा। यारों जो खुद पे हो यकीन तो जिंदगी हंसी तुझे कल बुलाएगा। है जुनू सा सीने में
Life is a beautiful gift, and our little graduates are ready to unwrap it with joy and enthusiasm. With every step and every beat, our little stars will show you what it means to live life to the fullest. You cannot miss this exciting dance performance, Ek Zindagi So Khwaisha.
मैं तो बादलों से दूर जाऊंगी, मैं तो अपना ही सुर पाऊंगी। है जो क्रेजी क्रेजी सपने मेरे, सारे चुन के मैं भूल आऊंगी। हमारा ऐसे दुनिया की हुई नहीं, मैं अपनी ही दुनिया बनाऊंगी। कि जिंदगी मेरी
hearts and happy feet, our little graduate would like to say thank you to you, my dear parents, friends, and teachers. They just want to express their heartfelt thanks for the love and support. So here is a special dance for you.
1, 2, 3, 4. Two little words, two little words, two little words, not goodbye. It's the end of the year, graduation is here. Our two little words to our teachers, moms, dads, grandparents, and all. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. You taught us to read and write. You taught us to learn. You told us it'd be alright and how to take our turn. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. You helped us to tie our shoes, learn shapes and colors too. There's so many things you do, we just wanna say thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done.
Section A, register number 1 to 15. First, we have Aisha Samir. Next, we have Amra Fatima. Next, we have Anika Rupesh. Next, we have Asia Zainab Bilal. Next, we have Daniel Joseph. Next, we have Inosh Fernandez. Next, we have Fatma Hana. Next, we have Imran Il Mohammed. Next, we have Isabel Tessa Arun. Next, we have Myra Mithun Pai. Next, we have Fatma Hana. Next, we have Niharika. Next, we have Nihira Kotier. Next, we have Nihira Kotier. Next, we have Chiraswi. Next, we have Rajveer Amin. Where's the? Next, we have Rajveer Amin. Next, we have Richard Anthony. Next, we have Sanvika. Next, we have Shaurya. Next, we have Megan Prasad. Next, we have Syed Bilal. Next, we have Vian N. Rao. Next, we have Vrinda Chakrabarti. Next, we have Prashank Salian. Next, we have Zach Mascarenas. Next, we have Sadia Sharifa. Next, we have Elora Tauro. Next, we have Abdul Ahad. Next, we have Abdul Majid. Next, we have Agastya Shetty. Next, we have Ahan Sukesh. Next, we have Amr Abu Bakr. Next, we have Ashwika Alva. Next, we have Hannah Isabella D'Souza. Next, we have Haya Mariam. Next, we have Hayan Sheikh. Next, we have Ridhima. Next, we have Isa Abu Bakr. Next, we have Jaishnavi Krishna. Next, we have Khadija Alisha. Next, we have Kiara Khadija. Next, we have Muhammad Arsh. Next, we have Muhammad Raish Raza. Next, we have Muhammad Hamdan. Next, we have Muhammad Zaid. Next, we have Muhammad Zaish. Next, we have Minal Aisha. Next, we have Mariam. Next, we have Risha R. Next, we have Sehlan Hussain. Next, we have Shaz Moitin. Next, we have Vihan Devadiga. Next, we have Zihan Ahmed.
Honorable Chief Guest, Miss Aparna, respected parents, dear teachers, and our little graduates. Today is a special day for all of us at Tree House. We have gathered here today to celebrate the graduation day of our little ones. As our little graduates are ready to start their new journey, we are proud and happy to celebrate this milestone with them. I would like to begin by saying a big thank you to our honorable chief guest, Miss Aparna, who has graciously accepted our invitation. Despite of her busy schedule, she was able to make it today. Thank you, Aparna ma'am. We are blessed to have you here. Yeah. Next, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to our dearest parents for trusting us with your child's education and for giving us the opportunity to nurture these young minds. Going forward, I would like to extend my sincere appreciation to our dearest teachers. Your tireless efforts, hard work, dedication, unconditional love have helped our student become confident, curious, and a compassionate individual. We are grateful to you for guiding, supporting, and nurturing our little ones. We are fortunate to have you all as a part of the Treehouse family. To our little graduates who are running here and there, to our little graduates, a big congratulations. You are starting your new journey and it's going to be amazing. Always remember to be kind, be brave, be happy, be honest, make new friends, believe in yourself, and never give up. Most importantly, always remember that you all are loved by us and you're capable of achieving whatever you desire for. We wish you all the best for your bright future. With this, it's my pleasure to bring this ceremony to close. Thank you.